Hello dear students, welcome to Net Biology Education. So I discussed in previous two lecture Net Biology paper till 101 to 140 question number 100 1 to question number 140 question. So today I will discuss from 140 and further. So question number 140, given which of the following combinations is required for chemiosmosis? Option 1, proton pump electron gradient ATP synthesis. Option 2, proton pump electron gradient NADP synthesis. Option 3, membrane proton pump proton gradient ATP synthesis. Option 4, membrane proton pump proton gradient NADP synthesis. Option 3 is the correct option, membrane proton pump proton gradient ATP synthesis. So dear students who did not watch the video, I will give the link in I button so you can watch the previous video and the next lecture. Let's see question number 141. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 and list 2. Cohesion. Option A, cohesion 1 given more attraction in liquid phase. Option B, adhesion. Option 2, mutual attraction among water molecules. Option C, surface tension, water loss in liquid phase. Option D, glutation. Option 4, attraction towards polar surfaces. Shows the correct answer from the option given below. Option A given, option 1 given A3B1C4D2. Option 2 A2B1C4D3. So you have to match the above combination and you have to find out the answer. So option 3 is the correct answer here. A2B4C1D3. Option 3 is the correct answer. Let's see question number 142. Question number 142. Match list 1 with list 2. Left side given list 1, right side given list 2. A given iron 1, synthesis of oxygen, zinc, component of nitrate reductase, boron, activator of catalase. Option D, molybdenum for cell elongation and differentiation. Shows the correct answer from the option given below. Option 1 is the correct answer, A3B1C4D2. So if you match the above combination, you will get like this. Okay, A iron is the combinations with activator of catalase. So option B, boron is matching with 1, synthesis of oxygen. Option yes, or that is option yes, direction. Option B, iron is matching with synthesis of oxygen. Option C, boron is matching with 4, cell elongation and differentiation. Option D, molybdenum matching with option 2, component of nitrate reductase. Okay dear student, option 1 is the correct option, others are wrong option. Question number 143, given below are two statements. In statement 1, Gauss's competitive exclusion principle states that two closely related species competition for the same resources cannot coexist indefinitely and competitively inferior one will be eliminated eventually. Statement 1, in general carnivores are more adversely affected by competition than herbivores. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the option given below. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is false. Option 2 statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is true. Option 3 both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Option 4 both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Option 1 is the correct option, dear students. Correct answer is option 1. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is false. Question number 144. Malonate inhibits the growth of pathogenic bacteria by inhibiting the activity of option 1 lipase, option 2 dinitrogenase, option 3 succinic dehydrogenase, option 4 amylase. So option 3 is the correct option, succinic dehydrogenase. Let's see question number 145. Identify the correct statement. Lenticels are the lens-shaped opening permitting the exchange of gases. So bark, option B, bark formed early in the season is called hardback bark. Option C, bark is a technical term that refers to all tissues exterior to vascular cambium. Option D, bark refers to periderm and secondary phloem. Option E, Phelugen is single layered in thickness, shows the correct answer from the option given below. Option 1 A, B and D only, option 2 B and C only, option 3 B, C and E only, option 4 A and D only. So option 4 is the correct option, A and D only. So correct statement is A and D. So option 4 is the correct option. Question number 146. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. In gymnosperm, the pollen grain are released from the microsporangium and carried by air currents. Reason R. Air current carry the pollen grains to the mouth of the archeogonia, where the male gametes are discharged and pollen tube is not formed. In the light of the above statement, shows the correct answer from the option given below. Option 1 is the correct option. A is true but R is false. Let's see 147 question. Which of the following statements are correct about Klinefelter syndrome? So option A given, this disorder was first described by Landon Down 1886. B, such an individual has overall masculine development, however the feminine development is also expressed. Option C, the affected individual is short. Stay short. Option D, physical, psychomotor and mental development is retarded. Option E, such individuals are sterile. So the correct answer from the option given below. Option 1 is the correct option. B and E only. B and E only. So let's see once again. A, this disorder was first described by Landon Down 1866. Yes. No. So B and E only is the correct answer. Option B. Such an individual has overall masculine development. However, the feminine development is also expressed. This is right. And option E only. So option 1 is the correct option. B and E only. Let's see question number 148. Main step in the formation of recombinant DNA are given below. Arrange this step in a correct sequence. Insertion, option A, insertion of recombinant DNA into the host cell. Option B, cutting of DNA at a specific location by restriction enzyme. Option C, isolation of desired DNA fragment. Option D, amplification of gene of interest using PCR. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Option 3 is the correct option. B, C, D, A. B, C, D, A is the correct option. Question number 149. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1, list 2. Oxidative decarboxylation, citrate synthesis. Option B, glycolysis, pyruvate dehydrogenase. Option C, oxidative phosphorylation, electron transport system. Option D, tricarboxylic acid cycle, EMP pathway. Shows the correct answer from the option given below. So option 2 is the correct option. A to B4, C3, D1. You have to match and you have to uh, write the answer. Option A given to oxidative decarboxylation, pyruvate dehydrogenase. Yes. Option B will be matched with glycolysis will be matched with option 4, EMP pathway. Option C, oxidative phosphorylation will be matched with electron 3, electron transport system. Option D, tricarboxylic acid will be matched with 1, citrate synthesis. Okay dear students, option 2 is the correct option. Let's see 150 number question. Match list 1 with list 2. Interaction species A and B. So given option A, mutualism 1 positive A O B, B commensalism 2 minus A O B, amensalism 3 positive A B negative B, parasitism 4 positive A positive B. So the correct answer from the option given below. Option 4 is the correct option. A4 B1 C2 D3. Okay dear students, option A you have to match with option 4. 4 is the correct. Positive A positive B. Like this, B is matching with option 1, C is matching with 2, D is matching with 3. So option 4 is the correct option. Okay dear students, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe and share and put the bell icon, and I will discuss Zoology part question number 151 in the next lecture. So I will give the link in the I button. You can click on I button and you will able to watch the video. Thank you for watching.